Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of fashion and beauty. Today, we're diving into the captivating realm of seasonal color analysis. Seasonal color analysis matches our natural coloring with shades from the 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Winter hues are cool, icy, deep, and clear, reflecting a crisp and vibrant aesthetic. Spring colors encounter warmth, lightness, brightness, and clarity, evoking a fresh and lively vibe. Summer colors are known for their lightness, coolness, softness, and muted tones, creating a serene and subtle ambiance. Autumn colors are characterized by warmth, depth, earthiness, and muted shades, embodying a rich and cozy atmosphere. Seasonal color analysis focuses on 3 key color dimensions. 1. Temperature or undertone, which categorizes colors into warm, yellow-based, cool, blue-based, and neutral, red-based. 2. Value or contrast, which determines the darkness or lightness of colors, ranging from light to medium to dark deep. 3. Saturation, which defines the intensity of colors as either bright clear or soft muted. Let's recap the first dimension, color temperature. This refers to the undertone of your skin, which can be warm, yellow-based, cool, blue-based, or neutral, red-based. If you have a cool undertone, you're likely a winter or summer, whereas a warm undertone suggests you're a spring or autumn. Now let's explore the second dimension, color value. This refers to the lightness or darkness of a color. Light colors contain more white, while dark colors contain more black. Your natural hair color and eye color play a significant role in determining your value. Light hair and light eyes suggest a preference for light colors, while dark hair and dark eyes indicate a preference for darker shades. If you cannot clearly identify with a light or dark value, your appearance is closer to a medium value. Based on seasonal color theory, individuals with darker natural hair tones typically align with the winter or autumn color palette. Conversely, those with lighter natural hair tones are more likely to resonate with the spring or summer color palette. Let's talk about contrast and its significance in color analysis. While not one of the 3 primary color aspects, contrast is closely related to value, offering an additional metric to consider. Contrast refers to the level of difference in value between 2 or more colors. For example, black and white exhibit high contrast because their values are distinctly different. On the other hand, 2 medium grays have low contrast as their values are quite similar. Another way to understand contrast is by considering the distance between colors on the color wheel. Colors opposite each other on the wheel, like yellow and purple, have high contrast due to their significant value difference. For instance, yellow is light, while purple has a dark value. Conversely, colors closer together on the wheel, such as orange and red, exhibit low contrast because they share similar medium values. To determine your personal contrast level, check a grayscale photo of yourself to see where your coloring falls on the light to dark scale. Look at how light, medium, and dark areas are distributed to understand your contrast level. It's worth noting that winter and spring seasons typically have higher contrast compared to autumn and summer seasons. Moving on to the third dimension, color chroma, also known as saturation. This refers to the intensity or purity of a color. High chroma colors are bright and vivid, while low chroma colors are soft and muted. It's all about how the presence or absence of gray pigments in your natural coloring impacts the vibrancy of your appearance. Individuals with high chroma exhibit a vibrant appearance characterized by fully saturated hair, skin, and eyes. Wearing gray or other neutral colors alone can dull their appearance and make them look washed out. However, they can pull off vibrant colors without feeling overpowered. On the other hand, low chroma individuals have a muted appearance with desaturated hair, skin, and eyes. They can rock gray and other neutrals without looking washed out. Spring and winter colors have high chroma. They are bright and clear, while summer and autumn colors have low chroma and they are soft and muted. Keep in mind that while we analyze each color dimension independently, they are interconnected in reality. For instance, if your natural coloring is warmer and lighter, it tends to be brighter. Conversely, darkening a warm color results in it becoming more muted. Therefore, if you have warmer and darker features, you're automatically more muted. Likewise, if your natural coloring is cooler and darker, it tends to be brighter. However, lightening a cool color causes it to become more muted. Therefore, if you have cooler and lighter features, you'll automatically be more muted as well. Now let's summarize the key characteristics of the 4 primary seasons in color analysis. Spring season individuals are characterized by warm undertones featuring light, clear, saturated colors that exude vibrancy. They have high contrast with their features. Moving on to the winter season, people here have cool undertones and darker values, sporting bright colors that create high contrast with their features. Summer individuals exhibit light and soft, muted coloring with cool undertones. They have low contrast as their features blend rather than stand out. Lastly, autumn individuals showcase darker, muted coloring with warm undertones. Similar to summer, they have low contrast between their features. Finally, let's discuss the flow theory, which expands on the traditional 4-season system by introducing 12 color seasons. This approach allows for overlapping and fluidity between seasons, resulting in a comprehensive and balanced color palette. Now let's dive into the flow theory and explore the intricacies of the 12 color seasons, starting with the spring season, which is divided into 3 sub-seasons: bright spring, true spring, and light spring. Bright spring individuals are characterized by their brightness and warmth, with medium hair and bright, sparkly eyes creating high contrast. True spring individuals, on the other hand, exude warmth and clarity with warm, golden undertones and light, clear eyes, creating medium contrast. Light spring individuals are the lightest in the family, with warm gold and peachy undertones, light golden hair, and light clear eyes, resulting in low contrast. Moving on to the summer season, which is also divided into 3 subseasons: light summer, true summer, and soft summer. Light summer individuals embody lightness and coolness with cool blue and gray undertones, light ashy hair, and light grayish eyes, creating low contrast. True summer individuals exude coolness and muted tones with cool blue and gray undertones, medium ashy hair, and light grayish eyes, resulting in medium contrast. Soft summer individuals are characterized by their softness and coolness, with cool gray and pink undertones, medium hair, and muted eyes, creating low to medium contrast. Now let's explore the autumn season, which is divided into 3 subseasons: soft autumn, true autumn, and dark autumn. Soft autumn individuals are known for their muted warmth, with warm yellow and beige undertones, medium golden hair, and light grayish eyes, resulting in low to medium contrast. True autumn individuals exude warmth and muted tones with warm golden undertones, medium golden and red hair, and medium muted eyes, creating low to medium contrast. Dark autumn individuals embody depth and warmth with warm golden undertones, dark hair, and dark eyes, resulting in medium to high contrast. Lastly, let's explore the winter season, which is divided into 3 sub-seasons: dark winter, true winter, and bright winter. Dark winter individuals are characterized by their deep coolness with cool undertones, dark, ashy hair, and dark eyes, creating high contrast. True winter individuals exude coolness and clarity with cool, icy undertones, dark, ashy hair, and light, bright eyes, resulting in high contrast. Bright winter individuals are the brightest in the family, with cool blue undertones, dark, ashy hair, and bright, sparkly eyes, creating high contrast. So, which season are you? Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll delve deeper into each of the 12 color seasons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.